How do you add paper money to Cash App? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how do you add paper money to Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To add paper money to your Cash App, you will need to visit a participating retailer. Some common options include Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, and 7-Eleven. These retailers have partnered with Cash App to provide a convenient way for users to deposit cash into their accounts. At most paper deposit locations, you can walk right up to a cashier. If you're visiting a large store like Walmart or HEB, you'll need to head to the customer service or money center desk near the store's entrance. Some merchants may require ID for verification to make a deposit, so make sure you have your ID ready. Now, open the Cash App application and go to Banking tab and further tap on the Paper Money option, and then tap on the Store on the Map option and then tap on the Show Barcode option. The cashier will scan the barcode so you can deposit paper money into your account. You can deposit as little as $5, but no more than $500 per deposit. There's also a $1 fee for each paper money deposit. You can make one transaction per barcode. If you need to deposit more than $500, you will have to use a different barcode. Complete the first transaction and tap on Done, and then generate a new barcode by reselecting the location on the map and tapping Show Barcode option. Once done, tap on the Done button to finish the transaction. The money you've deposited usually appears in your Cash App balance instantly, but it may take a few minutes for your balance to update. As soon as the funds are available in your balance, they will also be available on your cash card. So, this is how you can add paper money to Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.